and cook my vegetable roasted fish, and these are the vegetables that I use to cook my vegetable roasted fish. And I already sliced it already. I put it on fire now. You can see it, vegetable is still on fire. Put the carrot, everything I've sliced it already. You can see the outcome of it on my vegetable. You can see the way it looks like it's still on fire. I have to leave it for some minutes. It's still on fire. And these are my roasted fish. I'm seeing it on fire. I'm still roasting it. First this way I'm doing my own. Gonna be yours. Wow, look at the fish. It's shredding. It looks so delicious. I can't wait to taste this. It's shredding to eat. Vegetable is shredding to eat. The vegetable roasted fish is shredding to eat, guys. I've set it on the table. Come and join me to enjoy my vegetable fish, guys. Thanks for watching this Fuzzy. Welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all for my subscriber. You are welcome. Thank you for your support.